finding this video. Because Pops killed me. About to go for a float. Well, we got stuck. Lots of rain in Missouri. Spring. About to drop in Swan Creek. If you find this video, we did.
The last time we're seen.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be like whitewater.
Woo!
Steer, not paddle.
Love you, Mom. Look at Coach back there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There you go, Coach. Paddle on your right, on your right. Okay. Nice job, Coach. This is awesome. No, we were both digging in. We couldn't.
It could use
a rudder.
a rudder, maybe.
And we survived. We're going for round 2.
Yeah. Next time when the lake's down, weather's nicer, we'll drive up on the longer float, or we'll do beaver. This is fun.
We did good, Coach.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Woo! What a day.
So much better. Because you know you're not going to die. Oh yeah.
Wow.
See the stone bridge? You can actually drive up with that from the cave. Somebody did some work right there, huh?